it's Angie from Canterbury Farm. Today I am in the kitchen and I am making pear leather for like fruit roll-ups. If you have a pear tree, then you know about windfall pears. I have a 100-year-old pear tree and it drops tons of the little small hard green pears. And sometimes I also have to pick off the smaller fruits so some other fruits will get larger. The first thing I did yesterday, I didn't film this part, where I put all of the green pears, stem and all, just the whole pear, into a big kettle and I boiled them with 3 sticks of cinnamon, and I boiled them for, I don't know, several hours. I just put them on and went and did my thing. And then I chopped them up and just sliced down each side, 4 sides, and did away with the cores. And here is the chopped, boiled down pears. I just left the skin on and everything. Then I put them into blender and I blended them until they looked like puree. Did add about 1/4 of a cup of cinnamon imperials or cinnamon candies to the blender, and remember they were already boiled with the 3 cinnamon sticks. And I have poured it into, you can buy these silicone trays that go in your dehydrator, and I've just poured it out in on these sheets on the dehydrator, and I've smoothed it out as best I could. And I'm putting in the dehydrator. I only have 2 of the silicone trays, so I'm only making 2 of the fruit leathers right now. And I'm just going to run this dehydrator probably most of the night. And then we'll check back when the leather is done and we'll look at it. You can add any kind of flavoring. I also like to take strawberry jello it doesn't do much for the color because it's still sort of a brown. But if you dump 1 package of the jello into the blender, or half, I would say half to, it depends on how much strawberry you like. I would experiment with it. And that will give you a strawberry flavoring. You can use cherry, you can use raspberry, anything. The pear doesn't have a real strong, it's sort of like an apple. It will blend with anything you mix it with, so it doesn't have a strong taste on its own. You can just do the cinnamon pear if you just like a natural flavor, or you can add the flavorings from jello. Kids like the strawberry a lot. So we'll check back when the leather is done. The good thing that I know is, so far in this fruit leather, was water, cinnamon, and pears, and a little bit of sugar from the candies. And that's all I've got in it, so no weird chemicals that I can't pronounce. So let's check back and we'll see how the fruit leather is when we're all done with it. Okay, we're checking on the fruit leather, and some of it is done, and some of the places where it was thicker, it's going to take a lot longer. That's the important part of trying to get it as evenly spread out as possible. I can see some of the cracks here. Try to squish in the other stuff into the cracks so it'll be a little bit more even. I poured this a little too thick, it looks like. Let's see the one underneath is probably more done. So that one's almost done. Got a few. You can see the lighter it is, the more done it is, and the darker spots are the actual ones that are still cooking. So we'll come back when we're done. It might just end up being a picture because this might go on for quite some time. It's been Angie from Canterbury Farm, dehydrating pear fruit leather.